Good evening mga kaotaku. This is John and we are here at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City to celebrate the Magsaysay Carlos Sunday, where families and friends come together to relax, have fun, and enjoy a carefree community experience. Tara, samahan nyo kami makilaro, makisaya, at ma-experience ang iba't ibang activities na inahanda para sa lahat. Kaya huwag na magpahuli. Let's explore, enjoy, and celebrate Carlos Sunday together.
The third Magsaysay Carlos Sunday is held as part of the celebration of Naga City Bike Month, National Children's Month, and National Clean Air Month.
Hello po, itatanong ko lang po, sino yung kino-cosplay niyo po ngayon?
Si Kyojiro Ringoko po.
Bakit niyo po siya napili yung i-cosplay niyo?
Random lang po and wala na akong makosplay na iba.
Tapos, itatanong ko lang, kamusta naman yung experience niyo sa pag-cosplay as Rengoku dito sa outdoor kaysa sa mga mall conventions po?
Okay naman po and fresh ang air po, kinda. And medyo makapagod lang po.
May masasabi pa ka pa ba sa sa event natin ngayon? Sa Carlos Sunday.
It's a good thing po.
Maraming salamat po. Hello po, itatanong ko lang, ano po yung mga items at services na ino-offer niyo po?
Good evening po. Ako yung owner ng Cupcake Crafts. I'm Renalyn. Yung services ko is meron akong handmade items. Bracelets, handmade, hair clip, chopper, and then yung mga fan-made merch natin dyan, fan merch. And meron tayong badge pins and stickers. Ayun.
Ang dami din pala. So, kamusta naman yung pag-support ng crowd sa business niyo po?
Masaya kasi since handcrafter ako, nakakataba ng puso na maraming nagsusupport. Ang daming nagkakagusto sa mga gawang kamay. Ayun, masaya, super happy.
So, ibig sabihin, good news talaga yun?
Oo, good news siya. Kasi since first time ko lang din dito sa outside na, kasi minsan nasa merch, nasa cosplay event, gano'n. First time ko sa public crowd.
So, kamusta naman yung experience nyo sa Carlos Sunday?
Yung experience masaya. More on like parang nasa Baguio ako ulit. Sa Session Road. Kasi nag-Session Road ako dati, pero mga damit yung tinda namin. Pero yan ganito, ang saya. Masaya lang. Super.
Yun lang po, maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Hello po, pwede nyo po i-introduce na sa amin yung pet nyo po?
Okay, this one is Bella, 7 months old, and Popcorn, 12 years old.
So, kamusta naman sila yung sa pagsali dito sa Carlos Sunday?
Happy, kasi sanay sila talaga makipag-socialize sa tao.
So, palagi nyo po sila sinasama?
Last entry namin was Biggs, Shocktoberfest.
Oh, Shocktoberfest.
Nanalo kami ng Best Tandem, tsaka ito, consolation prizes.
Ang cute naman nun. Tapos, itatanong din namin, ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa Carlos Sunday na event niyo?
It was our second Carlos Magsaysay. So, it was fun. Masaya kasi nagkakaroon ng time yung family na magkaroon ng get-together. Positive ng ambience.
So, parang banding nyo rin family niyo?
Kasi actually, isa lang anak ko. Sila talaga yung nagiging kasama ko every So, masaya. So, madami akong dogs. Cats, madami din.
Bale, sila na lang yung babies niyo po?
Oo. Most of the time, mag-isa talaga ako.
Yan naman po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Hello po. Itatanong ko lang, sino yung kino-cosplay niyo po ngayon at bakit niyo po siya napili?
Okay. I'm cosplaying Ono Michio from the Ryuga Gotoku / Yakuza series kasi Ryuga Gotoku is one of my favorite game series, and I figured Ono Michio is the best fit for this event. Yeah.
Bakit po siya fits for this event po?
Kasi well, this is a family-friendly event, and Ono Michio is a mascot, bringing joy to kids and giving them advice. Well, according sa game lore. So, yeah, I've been getting requests for photos, and in that front, I guess I succeeded.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Then, how about yung experience niyo po dito sa Carlos Sunday natin, cosplaying sa outdoors po, compared po sa pagko-cosplay sa mall conventions?
Well, first thing, open siya, di ba? Presko. Oo, so nakatabuelo ako dito sa Actually, itong po, Costco, sa indoors medyo it can get unbearable because of the heat. Pero dito, yeah, it's presko, the air, and mga dumadaang tao. Yeah, there's a lot of sights to see. I don't prefer one over the other, pero for the past few events kasi it's always been indoors. So this is a good change of pace.
Thank you for that. Then, one last thing po. Ano po yung masasabi niyo about sa event natin this Carlos Sunday?
Okay, Carlos Sunday. Yeah, I think this is a good initiative. It's kind of like a street party. And yeah, set in November. I think it's good kasi para sa akin, November is kind of a, I don't know, my experience lang kind of a dead month for events. So I think this is a good initiative, yung Carlos Sunday. I don't know, feel ko some things could be added, could be improved. Some are fine as it is, pero as of right now, I'm quite satisfied with how it turned out.
Thank you for that. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah. My pleasure talking with you guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And there you have it, mga kaotaku. Whether you're a cosplayer or not, Magsaysay Carlos Sunday is open to everyone to have fun, excitement, and community vibes. Once again, this is John reporting for Tall TV News, reminding you to enjoy, have fun, and stay hydrated as we celebrate Magsaysay Carlos Sunday with the cow.